Guys, oh my god. I just lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. I lost my wallet. And I don't know. I was just so emotional. I'm just tired. I just wanna relax. But I lost my wallet. And now I have to drive home. I just wanna be a passenger because I lost my wallet. And there's cash! Like, I don't always have cash. I always don't have cash. And then the rare time that I have a lot of cash, I lost my wallet pa. It has come to this. It has come to this where I'm actually looking for comfort on my life because my friends are in China. My best friend is in Boracay. My best friend's dog is dying. So I'm like, ang kapal naman ng mukha ko kung magpapa-comfort ako dun sa namatayan ng aso, diba? Gusto ko ng comfort. Ang hirap maging single. Oh my God. Ang bigat. Gusto ko lang ng comfort. Pero wala. Iko-comfort ko na lang yung sarili ko. Ay. Kahit talking stage, wala. So, kahit ka-MU, walang magko-comfort. Ay. Nawala yung wallet ko, guys. Kaya ako umiiyak. Tapos magdadrive pa ako. Alam mo yung ang pangit sa feeling nagdadrive ng malungkot. Cause like, you just wanna be a passenger kasi malungkot ka. Nawala yung wallet ko. May lamang pera. Minsan na nga lang ako mag-withdraw nang hindi mag-card. Hindi ko alam dito sa lobby. May kumuha. Ay, guys, hindi ko na alam. Ay, naku, ayaw nila ipacheck yung CCTV. Mahaba daw yung process. Ginawa ko yung process, tas sarado na daw. And even if i-check yung CCTV, makukuha pa ba yung wallet? Kinancel ko na yung cards ko. Magdadrive pa ako pa uwi. This isn't really looking good for me. I just want to sleep in today. Pag pumunta kasi ako sa lobby, they're just gonna say kailangan ng admin. Hindi ko alam kung iiyak ba ako sa lobby para lang ipakita nila yung CCTV. Kung mag-emote na lang ba ako. Hindi ako natutuwa sa mga desisyon ko sa buhay. Hindi talaga ako natutuwa sa mga desisyon ko sa buhay. Last na. Thank you guys for sitting with me. Today's a really bad day for me.